Jefferson Graham, come on down. You're going to be talking tech with Drew Carey on The Price is
Drew.
Right.
Oh, left hand shake. Okay, yeah, very good.
We watch Talking Tech, and you should too.
Hi, I'm Jefferson Graham, and you're watching Talking Tech. Today, on our very first show, we're going to talk about camcorders. I just left a tweet for the folks on Twitter to tell them what I'm doing.
You're like on the internet, aren't you? I've seen you on the internet.
Yeah.
You're the Talking Tech guy.
It's 7:20 in the morning, and right now, there's nobody left here. What happened?
Netflix gets up early. Our associates arrive here about 3:30 in the morning to do the rental return of DVDs.
Actor Wayne Knight had us to the set of his sitcom, The X's, where he told us he's bothered by too much tech on the set.
So my phone rings and every device I have, you know, it's like, okay, all right, I got a phone call. All right.
Celebrational, Muppetational, this is what we call Talking Tech. Get in it quick. Sorry, I got out of breath. Very nice.
Thank you.
And say, I am fierce.
I'm fierce.
Hear me roar.
Hear me roar.
I am so fierce.
I am so fierce.
Men can smize too.
Yes, I can.
This is corduroy. This is corduroy. Yeah, that's corduroy. Don't you ever do that. It's not cool. You know what I mean? Even for a white guy, it's not cool.
Anytime you're on the other side of the dirt, you're blessed.
Yes. I'm inside the dirt where the grass and stuff grow. Yeah. I'm pretty blessed, yeah.
It's Jefferson Graham with USA Day here in beautiful Hermosa Beach with 3 cameras on top of my head.
Hello, I'm here with Jeff, who's interviewing me for USA Today's Talking Your Tech.
This is a little letter from Hyundai with a gift card in it for me, for misstating their advertising claims they made on the 2012 Elantra that I picked up about a year and a half ago. They said I'd get 40 miles per gallon on the highway and 29 miles per gallon in the city. I ended up getting 18 miles per gallon in the city and about 32 on the highway. Oh, there it is. $80.21. Partner is not here with us right now.
No, he's not.
He didn't want to talk to me.
No, he doesn't like
Why not?
Dylan us usually do interviews.
He doesn't.
Jeff, is that right?
That is right.
We call this episode of Talking Tech, My Interview with a Robot.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Jeff.
Her name is Erica, and we met in Kyoto, Japan in the Hiroshi Isagura Labs, home to the 3rd year of a 5-year project to, well, let's have Erica tell you all about it.
I was created to be the world's most advanced and most beautiful, fully autonomous android.
You've been asked this Spider-Man question a million times, but I have not asked you. So just tell me about the night that you were drawing or writing and thought about this young teenager. Tell me about creating Spider-Man.
I was looking for a new hero, a new type of hero, and I had to have some superpower to give him, and it had to be an original superpower. And I thought, wouldn't it be cool to have a superhero who could crawl on walls? And that is how Spider-Man was born.
Thanks for being on Talking Tech with me at the amazing, beautiful Granada Theater in Santa Barbara, California. This is a real treat.
It's nice to be here. Thanks.
You are about to do a concert in 90 minutes
yes,
or less.
Just getting ready to play.
And we're here on the stage.
Yeah, I'm on tour and just flew in this afternoon. Grabbed an In-N-Out burger on the way to the concert hall, and here we are.
Since you're doing Fashion Police, any thoughts on what I'm wearing today?
You look fine for California.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you have a jacket on, which is very respectful and should be, because you're an interviewer, which is good. New York, you should have a tie, but in California, no tie is fine.
Okay, I'm not going to get blasted by Joan today.
No, I promise you.
USA Today tech insider Jefferson Graham is checking out the local tech scene and has found himself at a business incubator making a name for itself, helping others.
I'm here live at SeatSpot, which is an incubator, works with a bunch of young companies to help them get off the ground. And in putting this piece together, I went out and interviewed about 15 app developers and programmers to get a lay of the land for the local area. Hey, Jefferson Graham here on Wendy Williams' couch.
Nobody ever sits here but me.
Is the first time.
Yes.
First time you've ever let anybody sit on this couch.
But you've traveled far to be here.
So it's okay.
Yes.
Okay, this is the after interview.
Okay.
I want to know, how did you feel about it? What do you think?
I loved the interview. You are my kind of guy.
Thank you.
You don't seem to have judgment. You seem to be amused.
Yeah, and it's a beautiful office here.
Thank you.
There's not enough to look at.
Thank you. I'm an interior decorator.
You know, we didn't talk about Wonder Woman during the before interviews. Maybe we should talk about Wonder Woman in the after interview.
Okay.
In an afterlife, you are Wonder Woman?
Yeah.
Yes. But since we're going to end now the after interview, I'd like to know your highlights from the before interview. One highlight that people never knew. What did you find the most interesting thing we talked about?
That I don't email.
No email address.
And I'm not interested in emailing.
No email address.
And when people email me, other people have to get the emails. And also, I don't have a smartphone. My phone was like $100, and
no, it's smart. All right, you're good. The before and after interview. Thanks so much for having me here.
You are so quirky, and quirky is good.
I've been waiting to see you get really angry today.
Yeah.
You haven't gotten angry yet.
No.
What's the deal with that?
I did at the beginning.
You did, but not really angry.
No, not.
You haven't screamed.
Not the enragement.
I told you a long time ago, take that damn vest off. But no, you want to keep wearing that damn vest. You understand?
I'm having too hard a time laughing. JB, this was a lot of fun. I'll get a new outfit for next time.
I don't want to see that vest anymore, man.
Thank you so much for being on the show today.
It's great to talk to you.
We're out of time. We've got to go to the next segment. So thanks again.
You have a future as a Today Show host.
Jason Mraz, everybody.